This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the economical events calendar for today. Today is Wednesday, July 27th. At 7 AM we have high impacting news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 6 PM we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. And from 7:30 PM we have lots of news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. At 7:30 PM we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 8 PM we have low impacting news, and from 11:30 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. This is a very important news and it's going to create lots of volatility in US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. So we already know that the current price action in daily time frame is in a very strong bearish trend. It has taken support around the support level between 1680 to 1665. So this level is currently acting as a very strong support for the current price action. And we have a very strong resistance level between 1773 to 1750. We have noticed the price action not able to break these resistance levels, because when we look at the past price action, this whole resistance zone had acted as a very strong resistance and also support for the past price action. So if the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect a bullish trend to start from this level. And on the support levels also, we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this support zone in the past. So if the price action breaks this very strong support zone, we can expect a very steep fall from this level. So the current price action is trading between a very strong resistance and support zone on a sideways direction. When we look at the current trend of the price action also, from here it went on a bearish trend, again bounced back on the bullish side, and it couldn't break the midline of the bearish channel pattern of the daily time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side. It did not break the previous high, which means that the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend within this resistance and support zone. And also we are noticing a similar pattern which had happened here, where the price action tested this support zone, then went on the bullish side, then started trading on a sideways price action. Finally it couldn't break the resistance level of 1870. Then we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side. The current price action has also taken support on the support zone, and it has tried to break the resistance zone between 1750 to 1773, and it couldn't break it. So currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the sideways. As long as this higher level resistance zone is not taken, we cannot expect the bullish trend to start in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously the price action was in a very strong bearish trend, and it had tested the higher time frame support level of 1680. Then it bounced back on the bullish trend reversal, and it took resistance on the midline of the bearish channel pattern of the daily time frame. And currently we are noticing the price action to slowly trend on the bearish side. I am drawing a resistance line for the current trend and the support line also. So from this price action we can understand that the current price action is trading within a triangle pattern. So wait for the price action to break this support level or this resistance level in order to take a directional trade in hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks on the bullish side also, we have lots of resistance. First resistance is going to be the midline of the bearish channel pattern, and next level of resistance is going to be the 1748 from the daily time frame. And if the price action breaks on the bearish side, next level of support is going to be around 1680. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color box is going to be the resistance and support levels for the current price action. If you are still following my analysis, please press that like button to show your support to my analysis video. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a support line over here. Currently we have noticed the price action to take support on the daily time frame support line and to trend on the bullish side. So if the bullish trend continues also, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line of the hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the start of the bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame. But the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish trend will come only when the price action breaks a previous high of 1727. So if you want to trade on the bullish side, wait for it to break the resistance level of 1727 in order to continue trading on the bullish side. And if the price action breaks this support line, it will be a bearish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. Next level of support is going to be the daily time frame support line, and if the price action breaks this support line, it will be the start of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. As long as the price action is trading within this resistance and support level from the hourly time frame, it will be a range bound market. Soon we can expect a directional breakout in 30 minutes time frame also. Wait for a proper breakout for taking a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame price action. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. For 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing a resistance line over here. We can clearly notice that the price action has given a bullish side breakout from this resistance line, and if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to trend up to the resistance line from the hourly time frame. And if this support line is broken, we can expect it to trend down on the bearish side and take support on the hourly time frame support line. Since the price action in higher time frame is still consolidating within this resistance and support levels, currently we can notice multiple trends in 5 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from the resistance line or the support line from the higher time frame in order to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame also. If you are a scalper, you can do scalping within this resistance and support levels. In that case, proper entry and exit will play a very important role in making profit. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.